In the previous episodes, we talked about drawing line diagrams to solve real-world purchasing problems. And for today, I'll introduce you a new method using graphical approaches, a method similar to linear equations but is easier to present. And here we go. There are some cupcakes for several people to share. If each person gets 5 cupcakes, there would be 3 left over. If each person gets 6 cupcakes, there would be 4 less. So let's use the red pen to represent the less. And each circle represents a cupcake. So the question is, how many people were there in total and how many cupcakes were there in total? Now, in the first method, let's call it method 1. Each person gets 5 cupcakes and there were 3 left over. And each person was separated by the vertical line. And in the second method, let's call it method 2. Each person gets 6 cupcakes and there is 4 less. Now let's compare these two methods. First, for the last person, let's label last person. In method 1, this person gets 5 cupcakes, but in method 2, this person only gets 2 cupcakes. To make it same, let's take away 3 cupcakes, and plus the extra 3 cupcakes, we get 6 cupcakes. Now, let's compare the other parts. Except the last person, every person in method 1 gets 5 cupcakes, but in method 2, they get 6. So to keep them same, we need to separate the 6 extra cupcakes in method 1 to every person except the last person. Now, for the 6 cupcakes, let's draw 6 circles. Each person gets 6 minus 5 equals 1 cupcake. So let's draw an arrow to represent this. He gets 1. This person gets 1. And the 6 cupcakes are separated to 6 divided by 1, which is 6 people. Now, the total number of people would be 6 people plus the last person, which is 6 plus 1, which is 7 people. And the total amount of cupcakes would be 6 times 7 minus the 4 cupcakes less, which would be 42 minus 4 is 38. Now let's check this with method 1. The total amount of cupcakes would be 5 times 7 plus the 3 extra, which is 35 plus 3, which is also 38.